So this laptop got something dropped on the top of the lid in about this area here. So when you turn it on, there's no display. So what I'm going to do is kind of troubleshoot it and show you how to take the screen off and look and see what you can do to replace your screen. There is going to be two little tabs here that you can pick out. Let's see if I can make this easy for you to see. You can use a screwdriver, you can use a butter knife. It's whatever you need to do to get into behind this little plastic cover. That's all it is. I'm going to do that to the other side as well. Now you get two screws here on the other side to take off. You're going to take, if you're replacing your screen, you're going to take and get behind this plastic here. And you're going to pop it out. A lot of times now they put a tape down here, so it's kind of hard to take off. I use a double-sided tape. So if you're using a butter knife or something, just run along the edge here. Don't go too deep. And it should pop right off. You lower the screen back and this will come right out. There's going to be 4 screws, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top, and then the black ones. You're going to loosen them. You're going to take them off actually. This will lower down, and you'll see on the left hand side there's this ribbon cable right here. I'm going to loosen that up. First you got to pull this tape back. You want to be kind of careful with this connector here. And that's how you would take and replace your screen. For this one, I am going to see if this takes care of the issue by reseating the cable. doesn't, we'll probably have to replace the screen. The light's on, screen is dead. So for this tutorial, you've already changed out the screen. That's all you need to do. So that's all you have to do. Push the screen back up. Put your screws in. Pop your faceplate on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe. Leave me a comment.